last pass was really good. I was surprised that it made a move to the right at about 100 feet, and I just kind of drove through it. I was expecting to have to cut gas, but I didn't, and it went really fast. The 60 foot was really good. The mile an hour was on point. I think we got a hot rod, you know, for first round, first time here at a no prep event this year. I think it's gonna be really fast next round. It's just gonna get better and better. So I'm happy with it. Hopefully we can make it to the end tonight. Alright, so that last pass, we raced that yellow Camaro, but he was leaking something on the starting line, so they told him he couldn't run. So I got another buy. Crazy. I got good luck today, I guess. Now, also the fuel cap came off somehow. I thought I had it locked down, but it came off. Luckily it didn't get on the tires.
Yeah.
But now we're running third round. We're first pair left lane, and we got Matt with the yellow Mustang. So it's gonna be a good race. He'll probably guess the light. He's done it before on me. If he guesses it just right, he might be able to get under us. I don't know. I think we got plenty of mile an hour to get around him, and we're 60 footing pretty hard. So. It didn't owe me nothing, honestly. It's probably got 300 or 400 passes. Those rods aren't even rated for what I'm putting to it.
Yeah, dude, there's one hole on the side and then two underneath and on the other side.
Rebuild time. Or put together your Nova.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, I know it gets better the more you look.
Oh my.
Oh, let me see in there.
Yeah.
When it's in the top end, it's usually the tune-up. When it's in the bottom end, it was just...
Am I missing something? Why can't? Oh, I see it.
You see it? You see the crack?
Is there a crack?
The block,
yeah.
the block crack.
Oh yes. See it?
Sorry,
Good,
buddy.
good.
Right there. See it? Right.
That was a damn good engine. So many wins. Probably had 400 or 500 passes on it. It wasn't ready to give up. It was definitely my fault. It ran out of fuel pump.